Physics part 410. The light emitting diodes, LEDs. There are many uses of sensing devices where the purpose is to indicate whether something is too hot or too cold, switched on or switched off, etc. In these situations, all that is required for the output of the sensor is some form of visible indicator. That is a lamp. Filament lamps not only dissipate a comparatively large amount of power, but also they are not very robust, and the filament is likely to break after being switched on and off a number of times. The light emitting diodes LED is a semiconductor device that is robust, reliable, and dissipates much less power than a filament lamp. LEDs are available in different colors, including red, green, yellow, and amber. The symbol for LED is shown in the figure. The LED emits light only when it is forward based. A resistor is frequently connected in series with an LED so that when the LED is forward biased, the current in the diode is not large that it would damage it. Our typical maximum current for an LED is 20 mA. Also, the LED may be damaged if the reverse bias voltage exceeds about 5 volt. When the output is positive with respect to earth, diode D will forward biased and will conduct emitting light. Diode D2 will reverse biased and will not emit light. When the polarity of the output changes, diode D2 will forward biased and will conduct emitting light. D1 will be reversed biased and will not emit light. The LEDs can be chosen so that they can emit light of different colors. Digital and analog meters as output devices. LEDs are used to indicate the polarity of the output, may be used when the op-amp saturates, for example, using the op-amp is comparator to detect whether the temperature is above or below a specific value. When the output of the op-amp does not saturate, the output voltage can be used to indicate the magnitude of whatever is being sensed. For example, the level of fuel in a tank. A digital or analog voltmeter connected between the op-amp output and earth will indicate the output voltage. The output voltage will be proportional to the input to the processing unit. It will also be dependent on the magnitude of whatever is being sensed. However, the voltmeter reads the potential difference, not the quantity that is being measured, and therefore the voltmeter reading is unlikely to vary linearly with the change in this quantity. The voltmeter must be calibrated. The calibration meters and the use of calibration curves is discussed in the section as well. We've got a section summary. Relay is used to control large value currents by the means of the low current voltage output of processing unit. Number two, a light emitting diode LED is used to indicate the state high or state low or state on or state off of the output of the processing unit. Digital and analog meters may be used to measure the output of a processing unit. Meters need to be calibrated in order to measure the quantity that is being monitored. Well, we've got some section questions, we've got some exam style questions, And next we'll move on to a very interesting chapter for us, chapter 15, remote sensing. That's all for the day. Bye bye. Talk to you later. See you later.